Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity, days of the week and names of colors. Days of the week. Do you know how many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. We use these days to track time and plan our activities. Let's say them together. Monday, the first day of the school week. Tuesday, a day to continue learning and playing. Wednesday, we are in the middle of the week. Thursday, just one more day before Friday. Friday, a special day. It's Jummah, the day of prayer. Saturday, it's the weekend. Time to relax and have fun. Sunday, a family day. Spend time with your loved ones. Activity time. Look at the words in your book. Some letters are missing. Can you fill in the blanks? For example, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y. Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y. Excellent. You are doing a great job. Names of colors. Can you name all the colors around you? Colors make our world beautiful. Look around. What colors do you see? Let's read the colors together. Red, like an apple or a rose. Green, like leaves and fresh grass. Blue, like the sky and the ocean. Yellow, like the sun and bananas. Orange, like a bright orange fruit. Purple, like pretty lavender flowers. Pink, like cotton candy. Brown, like chocolate or tree trunks. Activity time, color each flower according to its name. Red flower, color it red. Green flower, color it green. Blue flower, color it blue. Yellow flower, color it yellow. Orange flower, color it orange. Purple flower, color it purple. Pink flower, color it pink. Brown flower, color it brown. Fantastic! You are learning so well. Chan conclusion. Today, we learned the days of the week and how to spell them, the names of colors and what they look like. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an expert. See you next time. Bye-bye.